This is a great trailer here. This is one of the several trailers that I've designed that has become very popular with the public. This is a 2016 Quailridge, and it's a 40 MLFD Kelly style. It's got some nice dark barn red siding with white trim. It is really a sharp looking unit. It's unit number 11230. It's got a trapezoid window in the front with 2 lights. You've got a light by each of the doors. You got a 6-foot sliding patio door and a house type back door, and it's sleeting, so I'm gonna head inside. This trailer lists for about $54,000. Get my door open. Get in out of the sleet. It's a nice big open floor plan. 2 sleeper sofas. 2 ceiling fans to keep some air moving. Fireplace. You've got built-in surround sound stereo. It's not installed yet, but it does come with it. Everything in these Quailridge stay in them. Mini blinds on every window. A table with the 10-inch leaf you can take out of it. The stainless appliance trailers all have a convection microwave. There's a little bit of storage under the seat. I only allow carpet in the loft, stairs, and master bedroom. So you've got linoleum, looks like ceramic tile, in the entire front here. Stainless steel faucet, stainless steel sink, got your pull-out sprayer, full extension ball bearing drawer guides, adjustable shelving in most of the cabinets, 56,000 BTU furnace, house type rear entry door, can't beat that for keeping the weather out. Okay, this has your standard Quailridge bathroom, and I'm trying not to block the light, but it's a tub shower combination with the linen closet behind it. Got your porcelain commode, medicine cabinet up top, vanity with storage underneath. So hopefully you got a good look at that. This is a step down rear loft, so it's a tall loft. It's 59.5 inches in the back, and then you step down into the master bedroom, and that gives you an extra 14 inches of headroom up top. You got your signature Quailridge wardrobe. There's 8 drawers, all full extension ball bearing drawer guides, and a his and hers closet. Both of them have lighting and a closet rod in both sides. All the electricity is located behind the hinged mirror there in the master bedroom. Solid panel doors. Let's go look at the loft. A lot of people ask, what is a loft for? Well, a loft serves well for kids, pets, sleeping, and storage. You've got a great big loft on this side with the small cabinet for storage. And in the back, you got a 59.5 inch loft with a corner entertainment center and a cabinet for storage. This is one of my most popular trailers over the course of the last 17 years. And it's called a 40 MLFD Kelly style. If you don't say Kelly style, you won't get one that looks like this. Anyhow, we're going to move on to the next one. The hutch has a nice little LED light to accent light the place. Nice view out the front of this one again. If you got a place with a view, this one's for you. Okay, If you got any questions, call Kelly at 815-849-9089 and reference unit number 11230. This is the 2016 Quailridge 40 MLFD Kelly style. Have a great day.